Hello guys, it's me Cheyenne. Today I'm going to show you how this monster truck engine is so loud. We are going to Dhaka, we are in Borishal. I have the keys to it. That's the keys of it. So my father is going to film the engine. So let's do it.
এখন কি চলে না বন্ধ?
Guys, did you saw that? Shesh. Guys, bye bye. Did you saw that loud engine? I'm going to. Guys, look at this.